Welcome to Terry's Tips, guys. Get a notebook, get a pen, because then we're going to talk about how you can get between $5,000 and $250,000, y'all, in like 24 hours. Yes, guys, when I give you guys these lenders, this is real deal. This is true financing. This is information that you can use to execute to have a result immediately. Get a notebook, get a pen, guys, and this is business credit. So today I'm going to outline rapid finance. Write it down, guys, rapid finance. And just like their name says, they actually specialize in funding for small businesses quickly. So in this video, I'm going to outline what type of financing they have to offer, some of the terms, but also what you need to qualify. This is something you guys miss. You're like, let me get some money. But guys, you have to qualify for the money, but the requirements are not super strict, guys. So there are businesses that are under a year old. There are new businesses, new entrepreneurs, new investors, and a lot of you guys actually qualify right now. So let's get into it. But real quick, for my new people, welcome. Guys, my name is Terry. I am a self-employed entrepreneur, a mother, a YouTuber, but more importantly, personal and business credit guru. And right now there's been a ton of excitement on my YouTube, on my social media, because we are celebrating we having 20,000 subscribers. Come on, somebody. I want to say thank you to you all. That means that we are impacting over 20,000 people nationwide, worldwide, to be honest with you, to have legacy about wealth building. Guys, this is a wealth building ministry. And I'll do my nugget at the end. And real quick announcement, credit leverage lifestyle. You guys are like, I want to work with you. I want support. I need ongoing resources. My online course, Credit Leverage Lifestyle, is out right now. And literally in a couple of hours, intake is going to close. Check the link in the description, guys, for more information. Only a couple more hours. It's an online course. We have a community. We have a Facebook group. You have a lifetime access. And more importantly, you'll have support from me and my team. So welcome to the winner's circle. All right, guys, rapid finance. So first, let me outline some of the types of financing they have for you. One thing about business credit, guys, is there's so many options. So write this down. They have small business loans, guys, up to $1 million. And let me just say something. I'm going to drop nuggets to the whole video, y'all, especially for my new people. Like, what is going on? Nuggets to the entire video. A small business, guys, is a lot of times is a business that is under 500 employees or under 300 employees. I know some of us, we're the only employee, right? Or we got 3 or 4 or 5 people. So many of you guys may actually still qualify as a small business. So small business loans up to $1 million. And the covenant, what everybody wants, is the line of credit, guys. That's the $5,000 to $250,000 that many of you guys try to go for first. There are lines of credit, business lines of credit, $5,000 to $250,000, guys. And if you qualify, then literally they will direct deposit the funds into your business checking account in hours. Come on, somebody. So look, say hello if you want some money in hours. So that's the line of credit, guys. That's super flexible because you can use it for anything. You can use it for marketing. You can use it for vehicles. You can use it for expansion. You can use it for renovations. You can use it to hire employees. You can use it for technology. You have multiple ways you can use a line of credit. And guys, once you use it and pay it back, it resets. Come on, somebody. If you use that for something that's income producing, literally when it's a well-oiled machine, the business funds the business. The business funds the business. So the line of credit. They also have bridge loans, guys. They have SBA loans. They have asset-based financing. Now, pause. Some of you guys are like, what is asset-based financing? Exactly how it sounds. If your business owns assets. This is for my investors also. This is for my restaurants. This is for my daycares. This is for my personal trainers. Guys, sometimes your equipment, the things you have in your facility, the things that you use for your business is considered an asset. So you will be surprised what assets actually, what things, fall into that category, guys. But asset-based financing means that they will lend to you based on the assets that your business owns, which also can be real estate. Come on, somebody. You can actually use the real estate you currently have to be an asset, to qualify for asset-based financing, and then do what? use that to acquire more assets. It's a proven system, okay, guys? They have invoice factoring. They also have commercial loans. Look, I wrote them down so I won't forget, because y'all know I'll go off on a tangent. They have commercial real estate. Commercial real estate, guys, it goes from $75,000 up to $2 million. That frees somebody right there. They have merchant cash advances up to $500,000, guys. And they also have, and I said SBA finances. They have a lot of different options for you guys, which is good. And this is where nugget. The amount of financing you qualify for is going to vary based on you, the business owner, based on your business, based on the industry, and based on the type of financing you're trying to get. That's why I outlined multiple options. So if you want $5 million, but the small business loans only goes up to $1 million, then you need to qualify for something else that's going to give you what you actually need. I hope that makes sense. Don't miss that nugget, okay? One thing I want to actually put right here also, guys, is that you still need to qualify for the financing. So write these things down, because you can't, look, you know, I keep it real, okay? You can't have bad personal credit, no business credit, have no revenue, be incorporated for 30 days, and be like, Terry, I don't know why I got denied. Listen, you need to be strong somewhere, not everywhere. So I want you to know, action item, assess your personal credit, assess your business credit, assess your business and see how fundable and how credible you look on paper. And guys, if you don't know what that means, click the link in my description so you can invest in credit leverage lifestyle, or I do have a free business credit building playlist on my YouTube channel, guys. The only investment is your time. So you can do it on your own, but you need to watch the videos, make a list of action items, and then execute. If you want community, you want support, you want ongoing workshops, you want an actual course to actually break this down for you, then you want to invest in credit leverage lifestyle. So you want to be strong either in personal credit. For personal credit, you don't have to be perfect. One thing about Rapid Finances is they actually approve a wide variety of credit scores. So don't come to me and be like, what credit score do I need? I always recommend a 680 and above. But yes, you can, if you have a 650, qualify for certain things. 680 and above, let that be a benchmark for you guys. Now, what you can't do is have like a 550 and no revenue and then wonder why the lender's not going to give you $500,000. Guys, always remember, nugget, that when you are applying for financing, the lender is looking at you and your business to assess the risk in lending to you. The less risky you look, the more money you qualify for. So if you have a high credit score or high business credit or high revenue, or you have collateral, you look lower risk to the lender, so they'll approve you. So personal credit is trying to be a 680 and above. Let's say your personal credit isn't that great, but your business credit is awesome. Then that helps, guys. You want to have your business credit for Paydex and IntelliScore at least an 80 and above. So build that, work on it, guys. One thing about business credit is you can build it super fast. Somebody say super fast, okay? And then also revenue. So guys, I have people who have bad personal credit, almost like no business credit, but their revenue is crazy. They're getting like $50,000 a month in coaching or landscaping, or maybe they have a barbershop or a daycare, or maybe, you know, they're an accountant. I have chiropractors. I mean, I have people from all walks of life that follow our channel so they can leverage and build. So guys, if you are a business that has good, strong monthly bank statements, you have revenue, then that can help you qualify, okay? So be strong in personal credit, be strong in business credit, be strong in revenue, or have collateral. You don't have to have 4 of them, all of those things, but be strong in one of those areas. Now, one thing about Rapid Finance, and one reason why I'm actually outlining them, is they are not new, guys. They have actually funded over $2 billion, with a B, y'all. $2 billion in funding to small businesses. And guys, their application process is like 3 minutes. So write this down. Step number 1, you're going to apply, and they want to verify your ID. They're big on this. They want to verify that you are the owner of the actual business. So a lot of times I get you guys that you guys will apply for financing and you're like, why are they asking me for my social? Why are they asking me for my date of birth? They need to verify that you, the person applying for the financing, is actually the owner or partner for the actual business, okay? So ID. Then they're going to ask you some information about your business, okay? And then they're going to want 3 months bank statements. Write it down, guys. If you don't have 3 months bank statements, you do not need to apply for rapid financing. This is actually part of their process. So ID, business information, 3 months bank statements required. Okay, those are, but that's very, very, very minimal information, guys. There's one reason why I outline these lenders. These lenders are fintech companies. If you don't know what that means, invest in credit leverage lifestyle. Okay, so these are fintech companies. These are also like alternative lenders that are outside of traditional banks and specialize in small business financing, which that's helpful to you because they give you more money faster with less paperwork. Okay, guys. The other thing I like about them also is they have credit advisors. So when in doubt, guys, pick up the phone. I will go back into this video and put the link in the description for Rapid Finance. They have a great big 800 number. Guys, if you have questions, call them. I want you to be empowered. I want you to take control of your business. I want you to be in charge of the outcome, okay, of your finances, of your wealth building, of your legacy. So if you have a question, call them and ask. They have credit advisors that will answer your questions. Another thing, look, wait for it. Wait for it. It's a soft inquiry, y'all. Boom. So they will initially, you can go through the application process as a soft inquiry. They will let you know what you qualify for. And then if you want to move forward, that's when it may be a hard inquiry. It's usually a hard inquiry for the actual lenders. However, we're okay with a hard inquiry if it results in $500,000. $250,000. Let's say $20,000. Look, $20,000 was change the situation for many of you all. So don't be so scared of hard inquiries. It's not excessive hard inquiries that result in $0.00. That's a fail. But if you have a hard inquiry and it results in money that you can use to build your empire, build your business, then that is actually smart. One other thing I want to point out about them, guys, is they have a line of credit calculator. I'll put that in the description also. What that means is if you want to get an idea of what the terms would be, what your payment would be, how much you qualify for, you can use this line of credit calculator, put all of your information in, and it will give you like an estimate. Always remember your true terms are when you actually apply for the financing, actually get approved, and they actually give you your actual terms. Nugget right here, guys. Be mindful of the terms. So for business credit, it may be monthly payments, it may be weekly. If you do something like a merchant cash advance, sometimes it can even be daily. Okay, so remember, if you're like, oh my God, it's only $150, but it could have been $150 a week. So pay attention to the actual terms because depending on what you get qualified for, that will kind of dictate the terms, the frequency, the actual amount. And guys, then once you get the money, use it for something income producing to grow your brand, and then you actually qualify for more money with them because you paid it back responsibly. So Rapid Finance, fintech company, specializes in small businesses. They fund very, very quickly, which is why they're called Rapid Finance. And guys, you just need to be incorporated, look fundable and credible on paper, be strong in one of those areas I outlined, and have 3 months bank statements. Boom! You're welcome, guys. And for my nugget, I'm actually going to go back to invest in yourself. Invest in yourself. So many people want different results. They want different outcomes. They're ready for change. They're trying to live paycheck to paycheck, but you're not doing anything different. Credit Leverage Lifestyle is one of the systems I put in place to help you. A system I put in place to help you because people said we don't talk about it in schools. We don't talk about it in college. I didn't learn from my parents. Well, when you don't know, then I understand. But now you have a resource. And when you know better, you do better. When you know better, you do better. So now it's time to take action. Literally, intake is closing in hours. If you would like to partner with me and my brand, in our brand, to be part of the winner's circle, then I am so looking forward to working with you, being part of your story. And I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you to everybody that has supported the channel, supported the brand, all the positive energy. I love you all. And it just brings me pure joy when I see all of your testimonials in the comments, all the positive energy. So I just want to take a moment to say thank you. Thank you, thank you. You all allow me to use my gift to impact lives, and I don't take it lightly. So I'm looking forward to celebrating so much more of your success. Have an amazing day, guys.